Welcome to the Met, built by well-known developer Concord in the heart of Metrotown. I'm standing here in the lobby with this grand piano right behind me. This building has world-class amenities, including a karaoke room, gym, pool, as well as even a bowling alley. I've got a one-bedroom condo that's 509 square feet on the 32nd floor. I can't wait to give you a tour. Welcome to this amazing one-bedroom condo unit I have for you today. You've got this beautiful open concept kitchen, you've got quartz countertop. I absolutely love the backsplash accentuation here in the kitchen. You also have a wide undermount sink. I love the cabinetry color. It's very light and bright and airy for the space. Also, I have this fridge here that is also flushed with the kitchen. But imagine cooking here, enjoying your Miele gas range stove while also entertaining right here. This unit is completely efficiently laid out. You've got zero wasted square footage. All you need is in one space. You've got your living room here looking out into your northeast corner view with a beautiful view of not only downtown, but also Deer Lake as well as Mount Baker. What more can you ask for? This is your bedroom. Look at these floor-to-ceiling windows that let in so much natural light into your room. Plus, imagine laying down, enjoying a book, looking out into your beautiful Deer Lake view here in the city. If you want to look at this 32nd floor unit with Deer Lake right behind me with this beautiful northeast corner view, you really don't want to miss out on this one. This unit in Station Square is waiting for you.